In this final video of this module, we're going to take a look at how to link to a Google Drive document from a Google site. So here I have my Google site, and previously we've seen how to embed whole documents, whole Google Drive folders, as well as attach documents to a site. One other way to get to documents is to set up links to them. So I'm going to go ahead and back into my Google Drive, and I'm going to go ahead and go into my document here. And I want to make sure my share settings are appropriately created. So if I go into my share settings here, I see that the default of any Google Doc is usually set to be private. So I can go ahead and invite individual people using their email addresses and then give them share settings, or after I add their email addresses, I can also give them this link up here, which is only accessible by collaborators. However, if I want to share this document with, say, like 100 people and I don't know all their email addresses, another way to do this is to change it from private to one of these options. And these options include, again, public on the web, so that's searchable. Anyone with the link, that's not searchable, but I would then be able to share just the link. Or I can have it a little bit more secure and have it so that anyone at ETHS 202 can find it, or anyone at ETHS 202, only those with the link can find it. So let's say I do that and press Can View. Note you can have them be able to edit or comment. But let's say I just want them to see the document. I'll press Save. And now I have this link that I can share with anyone I want. And one of the best ways to do that is through your website. Okay, so now I have this link right here. And I'm going to go ahead and copy that onto my clipboard. Okay, and press Done. And I'm going to go into my website. I'm going to edit my website. I'm going to enter edit mode here. I'm going to say click here to access the test document. So I'm going to go ahead and type some text. So, I don't have to just show the ugly link because it's really long, right? There it is. Instead, what I want to do is I just say click here. So I'll highlight this text, click on the link icon, or I can also say insert link. So one of the two. And then I'll have a place to put that link. I want to click on web address and then paste the link here. I have the option to open this link in a new window, generally a good practice so that they can stay on your web page and then have the link open in a new tab or a new window. Press OK, and then press Save. So now if I want to test this, if I click on this link, it'll open up the Google Doc that I have set up so that it's anyone with the link can view this document. And now I can see that this document is open because anyone with the link at ETHS202 can view it. So if I was not logged into eths202.org, I would not be able to access this document. So once again, that's how you add links to Google Docs using the share settings and your Google Sites webpage link option. And that concludes our module on how to handle documents in Google Sites. To review, we went over a couple options ranging from embedding Google Docs on a web page, as we see here, to adding links to Google Web documents on a web page, to using a file cabinet to add documents on a web page, as well as add attachments to the bottom of a Google Sites web page, so we can see add files here. And then lastly, we can embed whole folders of documents on a website. And the whole folders option is really great because if you just add documents into a folder, those will automatically update inside that folder and thus on your website.